Hey guys, how to download Red Dead Redemption 2 on PC or laptop. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now open web browser in your laptop and search Rockstar Game Launcher. Link in description. And then click the download the Rockstar Game Launcher. After that click the top Get Launcher. And click the download for Windows. Download Rockstar Game Launcher from here. And downloading is completed to open download folder in your PC. And double click the Rockstar Game Launcher. And select language from here and click the continue. And again click the continue. And select the I accept Rockstar and click the continue. And this is file location and click the continue. And Rockstar Game Launcher installation is started. Installation is completed to open that and sign in or create an account. After that find RDR2 and click on it. And you see the buy now, click on it. And again click the buy and continue payment and download from here. Thanks for watching.